Hi everyone, I'm Arlene van Schaik. I'm the president of ELSA Amsterdam.
Hey, I'm Rowena Palyama and I'm the director as well as of ELSA Amsterdam. And we proudly present to you our very first summer law school on information law. We will explore the boundaries of online privacy,
but also the freedom of speech
and intellectual property rights.
Well, long story short, join us for our first and unforgettable summer law school.
Gain invaluable experience and knowledge.
Make new friendships, and while doing so, enjoy the vibrant city that Amsterdam is.